Hi, I'm Faith, and today's Flylady's Beginner Baby Steps Day 12 of getting your home and life in order. Here I have my control journal and my cup of tea. So today is day 12 of the baby steps, and Flylady wants us to delete the Flylady emails because you don't need to save them to read on later, because do it now or just delete them. And I personally don't have Flylady emails. I didn't sign up to her emails, so I don't have anything to delete. So I'm gonna change that step. What I'm gonna do is set the timer for 15 minutes and turn on my computer and kind of fix my layout, my computer screen, because I like having things organized. But when I record and edit these videos and do the voiceovers and thumbnails, I have so much clutter on my computer screen, and that's what I'm gonna fix today, clean up. So I'm gonna erase those thumbnails that weren't as good, and I'm gonna put my videos where they need to be and erase the things I don't need, like the voiceovers. I don't need them anymore, so I'm gonna erase those. And so that's what I'm gonna plan on doing today after I record this video. So if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.